just got these in this morning, guys. You know what they're for? This is our subtle wide body for the Celica. But believe it or not, these TRD parts are so insanely hard to find. The fact that I even have them in my hands is cool. Test one of these out. Damn, beautiful day. As always, actually, it's been fairly forgiving. All right, where does this even go? It's supposed to go something like that. I think that would actually add. This isn't even like bolt-on, it's just 3M'd. These are used, obviously, but I had to order them. It took like 3 months to get in from Russia. Someone from Russia took it off their Celica build. All right, go Bam. Thanks for waving. Okay, let's see. Wanna go for a walk? Yeah. Can you turn the lights off? What the heck? Over here. Over here. Yeah. So close, go on, so close. Yes. Good job. We'll be right back. What the F? Bird. F it. It's so beautiful outside that I decided we're gonna be taking the Supra out for lunch today. Plus, I got some errands to run and some supplies to go pick up at Staples. But yeah, no, look at this. Guys, 0 S word. Still no snow. This is me jinxing it right now, but I love it. Guys, we're selling these banners again online. I only made them available during the show season, which was pretty much non-existent here in Canada. These were only meant to be for our booth crew members to show on their cars during the shows. But you can put them on the back windshield like that, or the front, which is where they're meant to go. Oh man, his sitting position is so far, I can barely touch the brakes. Just need to back it up just a little bit. Time to play the music of my people. Oh, engine oil service required. What? Here comes all the messages. What the hell, dude? Cold start is actually still pretty loud on that thing. See you in a bit, homie. I'll be back. Yeah, guys, it's been a minute, but why does it feel like forever? I've been looking for this ring for forever. Oh, that is not coming off. I still do plan on getting coilovers for this thing and a big turbo, but that might have to wait until next year because it's just gonna be sitting in this garage. Ideally, I'd want to be working on it throughout the winter. Actually, it really depends which car I store where. I also plan on working on the FRS a lot during the winter too, so we'll see. Okay, first things first, I gotta eat, man. I was up till 5 a.m. yesterday working on an art video on my art channel. And the thing is too, is like, these two parts of my life, one is physically demanding, which is the car side, and the art side is all mental, man. It's a battle up here, for the most part. A little bit physical too, but you guys get what I mean. Okay, let's go grab some pho. Okay, yeah. Terrible parking, Birdy. I still don't know my radius, guys. I'm gonna repark. This is embarrassing. Damn, too close. Alright, we're gonna do some computer work.
It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on a roll, yeah.
Vietnamese coffee, it's probably one of the most potent caffeines out there. It's gonna keep me awake for the rest of the day. Have a good day. Ah, delicious MSG. Actually, no, this place is so good. What? Do we splurge on limited edition Justin Bieber Tim Hortons merch? That's insane. What the heck? Fanny pack and a hat? Hi there. AMG A35. Damn, nice looking. Zebra. Or Zeba. Quick stop at Ape. Just grabbing some stickers. Yo. What's up, fellas? Long time no see. Here to pick up some stickers. It's going good. Yes. Awesome. Thanks, man. Oh, you had them ready. Jeez. Yeah. Oh, wow. So many stickers. Oh, these guys especially. Also, if you're wondering where all the anime stickers went, because we took them all off kingsmasterized.com, they're all on Project Rocket, which is a whole different brand, but geared towards the anime stuff. Zenitsu. Yes. Great, peace, Alpha. Okay, bye. The weather called for me to bring out the Supra. It's just so beautiful outside. It's been a minute since you've seen this on this channel anyways. I am so thankful that our corner house has this handicap spot because it is perfect for low cars. Beauty. All right, for reals. Time to put this thing away. Wait, what? Okay, bye-bye again for now. When I see you again. Dawn, I brought you a hat. Wear this. You look cool. You're the Tin Soldier. Come on, baby. So I started taking more campaign photos for the website of the new merch that we got in. Now, these new jackets are actually available for pre-order. So if you guys want to cop your size, because they're super limited, make sure you head over to the website and do that. Oh, what are you doing there, homie? Trying to take some photos, bro. Also had the best distraction, keeping me company. Now, I'm no cook, but I had some ingredients for curry, so I decided to make some for dinner. And it came out a little runny. Or I should have added more starch or something. I didn't follow the recipe right. Dude, Gohan's actually happy.
Dude, it was so sad when Hank first got in. Gohan chose and Hank was like,
oh, just now. Yo, I thought that door was closed. I tried to. I'm like, Gohan, no. Then later, actually, Shane's sister brought over her puppy for us to sit for the week. And this guy's so rambunctious. Oh, hi, Hank. Oh,
is it that thing?
I'll hold him.
Get past here.
Come here, Hank.
Well, it's big, but it's light, yeah.
Whoa.
I mean, it's just so he has some room to move, right?
It's like his own room.
Yeah. So there's...
Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah. Who's that? Hey, Hank. Come here. Out. Hank, out. What are you guys doing? Here. Look at this. What's that?